Metallurgical Combine Azovstal is one of the largest steel rolling companies in Ukraine. It was established in 1930 by the decision of the Presidium of Supreme Soviet of the National Economy in Mariupol, Ukrainian SSR, and finally entered the production line in 1933 when its blast furnace put out the first iron. In January 1935, steelmaking production was put into operation at Azovstal, the first in the USSR. 250T tilting open hearth furnace came into commission. During World War II, operations were forced to stop in 1941 when Nazi Germany occupied Mariupol. In September 1943, upon the city's liberation, the plant was rebuilt. In 2005, the plant produced 5.906 million tons of steel. As a result of lax environmental regulations and totally obsolete equipment used by Azovstal and other Metallurgical factories in the city, Mariupol was what National Geographic described as one of the most polluted cities in Ukraine. In 2018 and 2019, residents of Mariupol protested in the streets for reform. In March 2022, during the Russian siege of Mariupol, the works was badly damaged, with Ukrainian Member of Parliament Serhiy Taruta stating that Russian forces had practically destroyed the factory. By 16 April, it became the last pocket of resistance in the siege. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.